Material console. Analytics. Analytics allows you to compare up to 100 materials at one time, in a matter of seconds. Analytics gives you the choice to add one or two properties to compare all selected materials on an easy, ready chart. For example, if you like to compare and view the yield strength of a particular list of materials, all you need to do is add your chosen property using either the X or Y axis selection field. If you'd like to compare two properties at the same time, all you have to do is select a property for both the X and Y axis. If you are performing a material analysis, it's likely that you are particularly interested in working with minimum constraints for each property chosen. If you add a minimum limit to both selected properties, the materials that don't make the cut will be grayed out. As you may notice, there are two ways to display your materials, through points and rectangles. By displaying your materials as points, you are viewing the property average from the range of available data points for that material. If you opt for rectangles, it allows you to visualize the material's full property ranges. Once you narrow down your choice of materials, you have the ability to do more in-depth research on a single material level by simply clicking on the material. There, you can discover all the material's property values at specific conditions and temperatures, as well as explore the huge amount of additional information available for that specific material.